What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy MET. Come on, you gotta do it with me, bro. XRO, man. I feel like that was cold as shit. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like that X was really on point. If you've been watching this channel, you know my X's been shit. I'm not even gonna lie to you. They usually be lopsided most of the time, but you can still tell us an X, I hope. But hey, man, we back again with another trade, weekly trade breakdown video. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people low-key liked my last video because it really showed them how to trade. And I never really talk about how I trade. In my live trades, I explain what I'm doing, but I guess I could go a little more into detail. So, this is why I make these, to help people understand why I took the setups, what I saw in the setups, and just, all that other type of shit. So they can maybe either, learn how I trade, or even maybe implement the way that I trade and then put it into their little strategy. But hey, man, fuck that all, fuck the talking. I got one more thing to say before I start getting on these charts. If you ain't following me on IG, make sure to go follow me on IG at METXRWrote. Link in the description down below, man. And I post all my trades on there. If I trade that day, if I don't trade that day, I post all the trades. I'm cool on there. If you follow me, I follow back. Yeah. Also, thank you for y'all support on that last video, man. Y'all went real crazy. What was that? 1.3? I think it's on 1.3 thousand views. So shouts out to y'all, man. Let's get into this shit. Cause y'all probably like, Metro, can you please shut the fuck up? I just want to see your trade breakdowns. I want to see if you did good. I want to see if you fucked up your account. I got you. So beam, y'all, man. So this setup right here is USD on the 3 minute. Well, I'm on the 3 minute right now, and this is just a beautiful ass setup, real shit. So at this time I was not at home, but I had it was early in the morning, so I already had my charts marked up, but I just had to leave the crib to go help my pops with something. So we had somebody else's house fixing some shit. I open my phone and I see this little setup, right? So when I open my phone, the setup was probably about right here, either this candle or this candle right here. So what I'm thinking is like, man, fuck this. I gotta step away for like 5 minutes and let this trade. You know what I'm saying? And if I see an entry, I'm getting in. It's that simple. So at this moment in time, I think news was I think it was earlier that morning, but at that time news was already over with. So as you see, this is a supply and demand setup on the 3 minute, and bro, you just love to see it. You love to see when the candles just act right, bro. I'm telling you, like, if you guys haven't studied candles, I'm talking about like really studied candles and all the different types of candles and what they mean, and like, bro, let the candles talk to you. Like me, when I first not first started Forex, but I say about a year in, I had this. It's called a candlestick Bible. It explains, like, bro, it's like 160 some pages full of candles. If you guys want that, just let me know. Hit me up on IG and I'll send it to you for free. I don't charge none of that bullshit. It's not my shit. Somebody else sent it to me. So hey, I'm gonna just try to help y'all out. So if you understand candles, bro, and once it gets to your zone, all you gotta do is read that candles once it gets to your zone. So like this first candle, I don't know why I did that. I look like a fucking chef and shit. I felt like a chef. Glass. I'm never doing that shit again. But it came down to the zone, boom, it rejected the zone, well, wicked out into the zone. And I just loved the way this candle just presented itself. And then after that candle, I was like, okay, if it break above this, then I'll get in. As we saw, it didn't break above this. But then again, it's the 3 minute. So, I always try to, like, when my zone gets tapped into, I always try to not manipulate, but I always try to, what's the word I'm looking for? Not manipulate. Fuck it. I'm gonna just use the basic word. I try to switch around the other time frames, right? So on this one, this looks clean. This is a valid buy on the 3 minute as well, because boom, I was gonna get in as soon as it broke above this candle, but it didn't break above this candle after it touched the zone. But I was like, all right, it's still holding. It still didn't go back down to that zone. So I'm gonna just wait, and if it break above this candle, then I'm getting in. That's what happened. Now on the 5 minute, the exact same. What the fuck? Where am I at? Oh, okay, we still here. But on the 5 minute, it looked really clean. This is a clean ass setup on the 5 minute. Like I tell y'all, anytime you got a supply and demand zone, or even a support and resistance zone, or even a break and retest zone, if you see one of these candles like right here, I'm gonna zoom in. Alright, bro. They keep on popping up ads on my shit. Like, damn, bro. Like, I know y'all keep on exposing me because I ain't fucking got premium, bro. Shit. I got premium on other websites, but I can't tell y'all about them. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? If you see this candle right here, that first candle that I touched on, bro, that candle's a beautiful. It gives me so much like confidence. I'm like, hey, once it break above this wick, I'm getting in. And as you can see, the TP got hit in one candle. Like I say, bro, I love getting in the market with momentum, and like I just love getting in the market and like little drawdown and just TP just get straight hit. So that's the way I like to trade. I love getting in momentum. God damn. I love getting in when momentum is hit, right? So boom, that was a quick little trade. Now let's go to confluences. Now, some of y'all might say, okay, the SMA is below it, but the SMA is below it. Now I do take counter trend setups, but not every setup I see I get into. It was just this one. It just looked so perfect. Like, come on, man. Like look at all this bullish momentum, right? Like, come on, man. I had to, and then the candle it gave us, I had to. But thing is, on counter trend setups, I don't really like to hold it for a long time. That's a tip for y'all. Don't hold them counter trend setups for a long time. And then on to the next setup, man. So yeah, supply and demand. It gave us this beautiful ass candle, and bro, it was simple. Like, I'm not trying to overcomplicate it for y'all. I'm just telling y'all, like, I know how to read the candles, bro. Know how to read the candles and know where to set your take profit. So if you do catch a really good move on the counter trend, it won't get you tapped out because you were trying to hold it too long. My computer's slow as shit, not gonna lie. But you know, y'all just don't look at the computer, just look at my face cam. You know, we ain't gotta talk about the slowness of my shit. I ain't gonna lie, this is a low-key, a school 2008 computer I'm using right now. But I'm going 3 minutes. This is like a little small trade. I'm not even gonna cap to y'all. But you know, let me see. All right. Where the fuck did I go? Okay, I just did that trade. All right. I'm sure gonna say. Yeah. Laggy computer on me. Like, damn. My shit, boy. I feel like I got FL Studio, fucking Minecraft, Roblox, shit, Fortnite, all in the background running while I'm trying to do this shit, ain't it? So yeah, this trade right here, I really like this trade right here. This was a beautiful trade. So I think that, yeah, this is a support and resistance trade right here. So the reason I took this trade, as you can see, guys, I'm just making sure y'all can see. I don't want my fucking ugly ass face blocking the shit, so I'm gonna just pull this over here real quick. All right, so you see we got all all these wicks right here, right? And everything is going down, but it's not closing below. So I was like, okay, now this is another setup y'all could have took right here. After you drew up this support and resistance zone, you could have low-key got in right here, got in at the break above and targeted this high right here. Boom. It's easy trade, beautiful trade. Like I said, look at the candle it gave us. Look at the candle it gave us, bro. I'm just saying, if you get a candle like that, you love to see it once it touches your zone. But my trade, it created another support again. Didn't break below this zone. So I was like, all right, fuck it. I'm gonna try again. Now this first candle, I was like, okay, what the fuck? And the thing is about when you drawing up your zones and you're like actually looking at the market, once it break below your zone, don't just click off the pair and be like, okay, nope, that zone is done. Wait till the candle finish and see how it actually finishes. Cause like I said, man, I forgot which YouTuber said it. I know it was a dude who he was with J Take Profits, I think that's the name, the little light skinned bald dude. Bro, I guess he a cool trader. He be hitting TPs and all that shit. Shouts out to you. I learned this from, it was a white dude on this video. He was like, you know, the last bro, I'm not good at reciting shit. As y'all could tell, shit doesn't work out. But basically all he said, to sum it up in real simple terms, was the last couple minutes of the candle is like the most important, or the last. It just depends what type of time frame you take on. If you chain on like the 3 minute, the 5 minute, the last minute of the candle, or you know, like the last little finishing of that candle is important. Cause you know me, like back then, once it like was down here and like this whole candle was red, I would have clicked off. But patience was just like, hey bro, just let this candle finish. Let it, just let it do what it do. It's not done yet. It hasn't closed yet. Boom. That's what really got me into this setup. Once I saw it wick down, below, you know what I'm saying? Like, okay, maybe you just wanted to take out these people right here. Boom, did that. And once I saw this candle right here, oh yeah, it wicked all the way down and pushed back up quick. Oh yeah. But then again, I had to make sure that it was actually gonna continue going up. So I let this candle play out. And now you really could have got in once it broke below, oh goddamn, bro. It's not a video with Metro if I'm not stuttering. And you could have really waited till it broke above this right here, but I wanted to just be safe with it. And now in this is the candle I answered on right here. Now it pushed down. Now look, I'm gonna give y'all some sauce. I always, if I'm in a buy or if I want to buy, I always want the candle to push down and create a decent sized wick and then start pushing up before I get in. So because a lot of the times what happens is a lot of people trade, like let's say if you trade the way I trade, like that candle, let's say you in a 5-minute time frame, right? It's 5:09. Boom. Now the 5:10 candle just happened. Now it may start off just going straight up, but then it might just go down, and then, you know what I'm saying, that's unnecessary drawdown. So I always like to see a wick and then push up. Free sauce for y'all. So this is just support resistance. Then once it broke above this green candle, I got in, and as you see, boom, 1 to 2 RR. I don't like being greedy. I just take what I get in the market. I get the fuck out. Now we have a setup on AUD USD. Only took 4 trades this week, and I posted them all on my IG. And make sure you go follow me on IG, bro. Like I follow everybody back. I'm cool with everybody on there. Like if you want to talk about trading, I'll text you back on trading. You saying if you need advice or just some other shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm cool. I'm cool like that. But like we cool like that. Now, once again, my computer's lagging. But hey man, I like I tell people all the time. You don't need no iMac. You don't need no crazy ass computer. Like this computer literally only cost me I think like $150 or $200. It get the job done. Like I didn't made my money back. I don't even know like how many times, bro. It's fucking crazy. As long as it's clear and not lagging when I'm on the charts, I'm cool. But for this setup right here, this is the very basic setup. I'm gonna go on a 5-minute because I believe this was a 5-minute entry. It was just a real quick trade. It got hit in 1 TP again. So right here, man, as you guys can see, this is a supply and demand setup. And one thing I really liked about this setup was 2 things. We had a double top right there, and it was rejecting SMA. So that's like 2 confluences right there. So I'm like, okay, I'm already in the sale. Then I drew my supply and demand zone, and what happened? Boom, that candle tapped into it, just barely tapped into it. But that's enough to be like, okay, the zone is activated. Let me just get in on this, right below this candle, this wick. So as you can see, my entry was just late, just by a little bit, but that don't fucking matter. Why? Because I was barely in drawdown and my TP got hit in 1 candle. I just love the momentum. And then after that candle, it came back up and would have damn near stopped me out. But glass. But yeah, then it would have went down again. But I don't like being all that drawn out shit. I like to just get in, get out. I like smooth trades, but smooth trades don't happen every time though. So sometimes you have to be able to be okay with being a drawdown and just trust your full trade process. Like I said, even if I was going for more, where's my stop loss is set, I wouldn't have got tapped out. Almost, but I didn't get tapped out, and I would have still won if my take profit was down here or something. But yeah, that was just a nice little trade. We saw the double top, even rejected the SMA and the supply and demand setup. So what is that? That's 3 setups right there. The last one is on GU. I think this GU trade was lit. This GU trade was lit. I gotta find out where the fuck I'm at. After it gets done lagging and shit, the cool shit. Honestly, I don't even. Alright, let's see. I made little markers and shit. But hey, let me know how y'all week went in the comments down below. Okay, right here. Boom. Alright, say that. Sir. Alright. I believe this was this had to be a 3-minute. Yeah, this was 3 minutes. I love the 3-minute, man. I fucking hate this shit. I'ma just this was it, right? No, what the fuck and where am I at? Okay, where the fuck did my trade setup go? Did it take me back all the way? This ain't fucking right, bro. This ain't fucking right, bro. This ain't fucking right, bro. Where the fuck did my shit go? Bro, real shit. Where did my shit go? Alright. Alright, guys. This isn't funny anymore. Where the hell did my entry go? Oh, here it is. Right? Yeah, alright, this is it. Yeah, for sure. I bet. I was finna say. I was like, alright, nah. Shit took me all the way to the beginning, bro. But hey, I ain't even mad. You know what I'm saying? That's watch time. Never doing that shit again. I don't know what the fuck that was. I really don't. Shit low-key just kind of pissed me off on why I did that. But hey, man. As you can see, this was another supply and demand setup. First thing first, we were in a buy. So I was like, okay, I love that shit. I love taking supply and demand setups when it's going like the right way, you know, especially if it's going an uptrend and I see a possible buy. I love that shit. This is the easy setup though. Drew my zones up, tapped into it. Now I didn't get in on these candles. It was probably just trying to really be patient or some other shit. I was just being patient and just watching these candles. And like I said, bro, every time, like I said, if you see these candles, these two candles, you see two of them candles, you know what candles I'm talking about. You see two of them candles right there on the setup. Boom. Be patient and then get in when time is right. You got to know where to get in and how to try, like I said, try to avoid being faked out, because being faked out is going to happen in the market. It happens. No matter how cold you is, how good you is, how long you've been doing this shit, you're going to get faked out eventually. It happens every now and then. It happens. So that's why you got to try to be patient, really like try to, okay, where's a good place I can get in at? And I didn't really want to get in on the first candle, so I was like, all right, let me be patient. And for some reason, I guess I didn't get in on the second candle, which was good because it faked the fuck out of me. Well, it would have faked the fuck out of me, like I said. And then on this candle right here, I was just like, fuck it, it's playing around. Once it break blood, like I was like, fuck it, I'm done playing around. It broke above that first candle that tapped the zone, and I'm like, okay, if it break above the second candle, then I'm gonna just get in and say fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Our stop loss ain't gonna be huge. So beam. You know what I'm saying? That was a beautiful 1 to 3, bro. All green candles. Yeah, so we got out like right there. So hey man, that's a beautiful 1 to 3 trade. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys learned something from it. Hopefully my face cam went in the way, so I'm gonna just let y'all see it set up. Like I said, supply and demand setup. These two candles. You just love seeing these candles that end off like this. You love it. Then boom, once it broke above this, I'm in the trade. And I'm only in the trade for like what? Not even 10 minutes. So hey man, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys, god damn, okay bro. Okay. I get it. Shit. But yeah man, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, man. Hopefully you guys learned something. Or even just enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys have a good week. And I'm gone. I'm probably not gonna go to work today. But yeah.